Welcome to Financify. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin directly from the Safepal app on your mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Safepal app on your mobile. Make sure you are logged into it. On the home screen, find and tap the Buy Crypto button. This option lets you buy various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. In the Buy Crypto section, scroll or use the search bar to find Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin to select it as the asset you want to purchase. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to buy. You can either input an amount in your local currency or directly in BTC. Safepal will show you the equivalent in real time. Now, choose your preferred payment method. Safepal usually supports credit or debit cards and sometimes bank transfers. Select the option that works best for you. After selecting your payment method, Safepal will display the transaction summary. Double-check the amount, fees, and payment details. When you are ready, tap Confirm to proceed. Follow the prompts to complete the payment. This may involve a two-factor authentication step, so keep your phone or email handy. Once your payment is processed, the Bitcoin should appear in your Safepal wallet balance. Head to your wallet section to confirm the transaction. And that's it. You have successfully purchased Bitcoin on Safepal using your mobile. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick crypto tutorials from Financify. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.